What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to give you an honest look into my week 2 experience of appointment setting. The week didn't go as planned. There were a few ups and downs, but let's get into it. So I'll start this off with the figures, and we had 503 dials this week and equated to 10 appointments booked. And then as far as the overall earnings, I believe it was somewhere from 500 to 600 Australian dollars for about 20 or so hours of work. I won't lie, I don't really enjoy the appointment setting. It's quite mundane. It's very boring. You're just sitting there. You have like 15 dials where you're not getting anyone on the phone. It's not that enjoyable. It's not that stimulating. But I think it's kind of the shit you got to take to get to that closer's position. Because when you're at a closer's position, you're jumping on calls, you're talking to people, you're having stimulating conversations, you're playing the objection handling game. But when you're doing the appointment setting, you could be there for 20, 30 minutes and not talk to anyone. So it can be quite boring. But that's just me being honest with the actual job itself, the work itself. But when you shift your perspective to looking at the skill acquisition, like acquiring the skill of appointment setting, so you've got that skill for the rest of your life that you can apply to any other business that you start in the future, then it shifts that perspective from this work is shit to this work is necessary. This work is a necessity. But anyway, at the start of the week, I came down with a staph infection, which is like a skin infection you get from MMA. So my energy levels weren't where I would usually be at. So it definitely showed in my figures. My quality wasn't where it would usually be, but that's just a part of the game. Unfortunately, I didn't get to the 30 hours inputted that I was planning to have. But at the end of the day, this is a performance-based industry. And if I'm being completely honest, I didn't perform at my best last week. But anyways, I'm ready to go for next week. Because at the end of the day, this is a performance-based industry. So the other things that are going on in your life will affect your performance, but you just got to accept it. And that just comes down to, I believe, is your health. Are you alert? Are you ready? Are you performing mentally where you need to be to get those people across the line, to get more appointments booked? Or are you fatigued? You're just going through the motions. You haven't primed yourself for the day ahead. Now, with these weekly update videos, they're only supposed to be a couple of minutes long. I just want something to look back on when I'm having those 10K plus months, so I can show other people that it's actually possible. So it's really me just documenting the journey. So there might not be as much value as you're looking for in these videos, but they will come in the other videos. I'm going to come out with a few more videos on networking, on finding offers, and also some other exciting things I can't wait to share with you guys that you'll find valuable. But if there's anything in particular you guys want to know or want to learn about, let me know down in the comments below and I'll make a video on it. So that's it for this video. Quite a short video, but thank you for tuning in. Hit subscribe down below and watch another video over here. Have a great day, guys.